This time we've got to subtract. Okay, now we can't do 0 take away 7. Okay, you can't take 7 from nothing, so we need to go and borrow. Okay, when you go and borrow, you go to the next place value along, and there's nothing there, so you can't borrow from there, so you're going to have to borrow from that 9. We borrow from the 9, it becomes an 8. Okay, so I'm borrowing 1 from there. The 1 that I borrow, I'm going to place here. Okay, and now if we go back to the start, remember I needed to borrow, and I can borrow from here now. So if I borrow from here, that 10 then becomes a 9, and the 1 I borrow will go here. So 10 take away 7 is 3, 9 take away 7 is 2, and then 8 take away 1 is 7. So 723. Next one, what must be added to 24 to make 212? Now, what you need to do is think about the gap between 24 and 212. What is that difference? Okay, so again, you could, one way is to take away. Okay, one approach. So if we take away, we can see what that difference is, what that gap is. Okay, so 2 take away 4. Well, we can't do it, can we? We can't take 4 from a smaller number, so we borrow from this 1 and make it a 0. Okay, and the 1 that we borrow then we place here. So 12 take away 4 is 8. 0 take away 2. Well, we can't do that. Okay, so can't take 2 from nothing, so we need to go to the next column and borrow from there. So if I borrow from the 2, then we'll see take away 1 from there to become a 1, and the 1 I borrow I put here. So I'll have 10 then take away 2 is 8, 1, and there's nothing there, so 1 take away nothing is 1. So the gap is 188. That's what I must add to 24 to get to 212. I've got to add 188 to 24 to get 212.